Next, I'm going to show you how to assemble the conduit clamp parts that attach one side of the bender to the strut channel. So you should start by laying out the parts like you can see here, with the knob with the red handle on the right, then a little spacer tube, and then the two conduit clamp plates, a spring, and a square nut. Alright, so next you're going to slide the metal spacer onto the bolt. Then grab one half of the conduit clamp and slide it into the strut channel. Then you thread your bolt into that clamp and thread it into a spring. Get the other half of the conduit clamp and slide it in on the other side of the machine. And then you're going to grab your square nut and screw the bolt into the square nut. This step's pretty tricky. Take a look at my right thumb, how I'm pushing on the end of the bolt as I turn that knob. That's kind of the trick to threading it in there, because the spring is trying to push the parts apart, so it's a little tricky.